Hey y'all, welcome back to another wig install video. Can you believe that this wig came from SHEIN? Yes girl, I finally bit the bullet and ordered one to try out and install for you all, so keep on watching. The wig did come within a week after I placed my order, and it is a 26-inch 6x4 180% density water wave unit, and it came with the wig cap and instructions on how to maintain the hair. Now the hairline came pre-plucked, lace was already cut, look at the band already attached, and it's in one of those mesh dome caps, so it's perfect for those who do not want to be bothered with wig combs, and it is super duper comfortable. All I had to do to this unit was bleach the knots. Everything was done for me. The band was already attached, hairline was pre-plucked, so all I had to do was just bleach the knots and style it to my liking. So here we are after I've already bleached the knots on this wig. This closure goes 6 inches across and 4 inches to the back, so it's definitely giving the frontal vibes without the hassle of too much lace. Now with my wax stick and hot comb, I will attempt to create like a deep side part in this unit. I almost always go for a middle part, so this time I wanted to switch it up, do something different just to showcase how versatile closure wigs can be. So a few more specs about this wig. It is a super affordable wig and is very beginner friendly. So if you're not trying to spend too much money on a wig, you can go on SHEIN and grab one of these units just to kind of practice your installs and things of that sort until you are ready to actually spend money on a higher quality wig. But the hair itself on this unit, it is pretty good. It's decent. I was actually really surprised. So that's what I have to say so far about it. Now, I'm not a huge fan of baby hairs, but I did want to create a side swoop as my natural hairline will come out a tad bit with its install, and I wanted to camouflage the lace a little bit, so here I am just using a hot comb to kind of create that side swoop. I like to use a little bit of mousse. My favorite brand is FAQs, and I use the mousse to help carve the baby hairs, and after I get my ideal look and style, I'll set it in place with just a little bit of spray. The spray that I'm using in this video comes from First Attempt or First Assist products. I'll leave it down below, and once I have it set, I'll use a headband just to keep it all together until I am ready to actually install the wig. Alright, so go ahead and watch me do this install. I'll just give you guys a little bit more specs on this wig and things that I've noticed because I want to be super thorough with my overall feelings. Now, this is a good quality wig. I'm not going to say it's high quality because that's not it, but it is a good quality wig for beginners. I would say if you're not trying to spend a couple $100s on a decent or a better quality wig, this is the way to go, especially if you're starting out with just wearing wigs. I would highly recommend anyone who's a beginner in wig wearing, or you're a beginner wig enthusiast, go the more affordable route because there you're able to practice your skill, practice installing, figuring out what you like, what you don't like, what you prefer, if you're a closure girl, if you're a frontal girl, because I think SHEIN also offers lace frontal wigs as well. So I do suggest that you guys take a look at some of the wigs that they have to offer, whether it's human hair or synthetic hair, just to get your skills up to par. Like, I am a wig enthusiast, I'm self-taught. I love good quality affordable wigs. That's what my channel is all about. I like to share good quality finds that are super affordable, and that it typically does not break the bank. And I have to say that this unit overall, I can't get over how shocked I am at how well that lace blended. It's the actual HD lace. Like, I was super shocked. I thought that they were going to send me transparent because when I go on Amazon and I look for HD lace and all that, you never get that. But this wig from SHEIN definitely surprised me. It surpassed my expectations, and I highly recommend it for beginners or wig enthusiasts in general. If you're looking for a quick, easy unit to just throw on and go, this is definitely it. I'll have it linked down below in the description so that you guys can check it out along with any available coupon codes. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.